about to go start creating content. I've got my shot list. I've got my location list. So first, going to Cars and Coffee. Then I'm starting a new series on YouTube. So I'm gonna go film the intro to that series and one of the first videos for that series. So I'm on my way, follow along. Just got to Cars and Coffee, pulling in, and there's already an accident. Of course, nice. Just leaving Cars and Coffee. I got some really good shots. There's some really cool cars out there. It's a huge turnout. This is probably the biggest Cars and Coffee I've been to in Dallas. It's funny, when I pulled up, the guy said, "Hey, do you have your pass?" And I said, "No, I'm just here as a spectator." He was like, "Man, you should show this car." I don't think that car is that great, but apparently other people do. That was awesome. All right, now I gotta wash the car, get it camera ready. Now she's starting to look camera ready. Best rear end on a wagon in the last 10 years? I think so. So I got the car all cleaned up. I got all the gear in the back, so we're gonna go to the next location for a shoot. It's getting a bit late, so we're gonna chase the light. We'll see what we can get here. Well, we wrapped. It's starting to rain, which means filming's done, but some amazing shots. Enough for 2 videos, so I'm gonna be editing those and putting those out. It's been a long day, but it's been a great day.